Okay, so look how cutesy they are, and they're all taut with their little tops on. I thought I was gonna have to use some super glue, but I didn't need to. So now we're just gonna decorate them. So this one already decided I wanted polka dots. So I'm just using a little dotting tool. These are clay shaping tools I got from Michaels. I had, you can use some nail tools, like fingernail design tools. I used to have one of those. I don't know what happened to it. And then also the Dollar Tree, they sell these same type dotting implements as well. They're a little bit shorter, and I think they're by, what is their crafting department? Crafter's Choice or something like that. But anyway, so just think of your design that you want to create and then go for it.
Look how cute that is. Let's set it off to the side.
Colored one, this one, I feel like I want to do some like lines, but I'm not sure if I want to do it down here or if I want to do them up here, but I'm not gonna be able to do it if I'm holding it. So let's do the design on top first, which may just be some polka dots. And I feel like I want to mix like a dark brown over in here, so I gotta find my dark brown paint. Be right. Okay, so I just got some of the espresso, and now this is an espresso color, so now we're just gonna use that. And I'm just gonna use the same ball tool just to create a few lines. And I'm not necessarily trying to have a rhyme or reason to it. But you know how when you look under mushrooms, we talked about it on part 1, and they have those little lines underneath it? We're just doing something like that. Look how cute. And then on this one, we're gonna add some white polka dots on the green ones, and they're gonna have dangles. So let's let them dry. We're gonna leave them alone for now. I may go ahead and add the white on the green ones off camera, but super cute. Okay, you guys, look what I got finished today. So I'm gonna try them on. I was gonna try to just put them on the paper so you could see what they look like. So look how cute. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Look at this one. I think my Miriam wants to keep these. How cute. Oh my gosh, they are precious. And then look at these. And they are super light. So remember, these are the mushrooms from the Dollar Tree. Of course you remember, we've been looking at the video. What am I talking about? Right, and look at this one, how cutesy wootsy. So super cute. So I didn't get to finish these because I was just trying to finish them before work this morning, but these are going to be a hit. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what they look like up close. So super cute. And I just put a slight gloss over them with the Dimensional Magic. So they're not going to be super glossy. They're just going to have like a slight gloss on them to protect the paint finish. And I think they came out really gorgeous. I love them. Can't wait to see what you all make.